Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Something Else Today. Today I want to go for a first unboxing video, a useful and helpful video, which is Windows 10 Pro OS, operating system. Also a genuine and full and retail version. This product I have purchased from our trusted site, Amazon. You can see the parcel and now I will break the package. My god, feeling so excited because first time I'm going to use a Windows 10 Pro. Previously I was used Windows XP, Enterprise, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 Home, now Windows 10 Pro. Guys, if you want the difference between Windows Home and Windows Pro, any operating system, comment in below. I will do a video for that topic. Okay, next come to our process. This is the pack received from Amazon. Packing are very nice, full protection. Just I'm break the Amazon package seal only for a verification and checking purpose during the delivery time. What's inside? Oh, I think this is a bill from Amazon seller. The Solvay Textiles and Service Store, New Delhi. The price is awesome and Amazon from Microsoft site, Amazon is too better. Price I will reveal in the last of the video and also with a proof. Next come to the main unit, which is Windows 10 Pro OS. Oh, the packing is very look nice. You can see here mentioned manufactured from and import by Microsoft Corporation, 19,700 rupees. And here some technical support also there. You can see left side written Windows 10 Pro and top side mentions some code of the product. Next come to the back side. You can see here mention the minimum requirement for device should be minimum 1 GHz processor. It required up to 20 GB space of free, 1 GB RAM for 32-bit and 2 GB RAM for 64-bit. These are the common requirement. Now come to the main feature of this Windows 10 Pro OS. There are some good features, like first one is the most secure Windows ever. It's device management and Active Directory. Here BitLocker and remote desktop and keystroke mode, Windows information protection also there. More control over also your updates. You decide when how to update your device. And guys, this is the retail version. In Windows, two types of versions are there. Two type of versions are available in the market. First one is retail version, another second one is OEM version. If you want to know about the comment in below, I will do a video for that purpose also. Let's break the Microsoft seal. Oh, it's too strong. Okay, I will take help from my pen. Yes, now it's open. Let's break and open the seal to keep the seal because there's some technical issues are there. Technical information also there. Box and keep it from left side to right side and open the box. You can see the Windows welcome greeting. Wow. Here also mentioned some technical tips. You can see here some features are there and Windows 10 Pro interface also you can see here. And backside mentions some tips how to install the Windows. One is for clean installation process, another is previous Windows upgrading. You can see the steps here, two methods are there. You can follow the steps by it and do procedure system. Let's follow the greeting and find what is inside that box. You can see here one book is there. I think user manual. Oh no, I don't know what is the purpose of this book. So many languages are there. Okay, keep it inside. Next, come to the next and main unit, which is software preloaded flash drive pen drive. You can see here written Windows 10 with logo of window. It's a 8 GB pen drive working with 3.0 USB port. And now see back. And now see backside. Here written Windows 10 English, Intel Home and Pro. But here no doubt it's 100% Pro. And here written some security key, I think, and numbers also. Let's see another side. Next, come to the main and most important item, which is our product activation key, also retail version. Let's take it out. Oh, it's not coming. I think this one is attached with gum. Yes, now it's coming. You can see front side just have a logo and written Windows 10 Pro logo. And I can't show backside key because it's very important. Okay, I'm showing by hiding the codes. You can see except code, nothing else. See guys, the code and pendrive, the most are important. You can see the procedure and steps and tips and go installation. Otherwise don't go for that. Otherwise you will lost your data. Yes, I'm keeping and packing all those are as per the previous. If you have any types of doubt, you can ask me in comment bar. I will reply to your comment or I will do a video as per your requirement technical. If you want guys installation process, then comment, I will record the session and upload. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you are like. Wait, I'm saying na, I will reveal the price. In Microsoft side, it is showing 17,000 rupees, but I got in Amazon only 4,094 rupees only. Also with offer, you can see the proof. And the price is not fixed guys. Daily it will changing and you can see the previous screenshot. Daily it will variable. The important, it is 100% genuine and retail version guys, not OEM version. Thank you.